I first begin by using my facial toner to clean off my eyebrows. I shave my eyebrows using my eyebrow pencil. Then I take my NAIR and put it on my Q-tip. Then I use the Q-tip to put some NAIR on it and follow the outline that I made using my eyebrow pencil. Gotta do this step kind of carefully because it shapes up your eyebrow. Then I wait for a couple minutes because depending on yourself, depends on how long you can wait, but don't wait too long before your skin starts burning. So then I take my facial towel, I put it with warm water, and then I wipe off the outline. I take my scissors, my mini scissors, and also trim my eyebrows as well. It was my first time doing it. Then I take my aloe vera soothing gel to help me, soothe my face. So after that, I just filled it in a little bit just to show y'all the end product. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. So this is the final results. I filled it in using my Precisely brow, but was just lightly filled in. I think I'm gonna be doing this more often because wasting what, $10 and you can do yourself at home, why not? So yeah, I mean, I can do it better with this, but it's first time. I like the shape way much better than this. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below. Thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.